Ahoy fellow riders! Tara, Henshin! What if I told you that this DX driver doesn't just transform you, it judges you? Today, we are looking at the DX Zane driver, one of the most intimidating Henshin belts in the recent Kamen Rider history. And take note, this is not just an ordinary belt, it's Premium DX. No flashy colors, no playful jingles, just cold logic and the mystery behind of card shredding. The Zane driver is used by Kamen Rider Zane, a rider powered by absolute justice as decided by an AI. This isn't a hero belt. This is a verdict belt. It looks simple, but it's designed to feel cold, mechanical, and unforgiving. The Zane driver uses two main gimmicks: a progress key for Henshin, and Zane cards for Judgment. Insert the key, then insert the card, and the belt performs a simulated shredding action. First glance, it looks like a magical driver, the mystery behind shredding the cards. But don't worry, I will tell the secret in the last part. This is a very straightforward driver. No light gimmicks, purely sounds for the effects. Progress Key has its own speaker, and aside from the Henshin sequence, it also creates sounds to call the previous riders and finishers. And the DX driver has a built-in speaker as well. Aside from the sound effects from the shredded cards, it also produces phrases from the user. This belt doesn't scream fun. It declares judgment. The sound design is cold, deep, and authoritative. The sound library isn't massive, but conditional sounds make it feel smarter than it actually is. Well, it's intimidating on purpose. So, how does the Zane driver ranks among other DX belts? For the gimmick system complexity, I give it 7 over 10. Simple but well integrated. For the sound and electronics, 8 over 10, intimidating and consistent. Play pattern depth, 7 over 10. Not combo heavy, but very thematic. Technical limitations, I give it 6 over 10. Some sounds overlap and limited expansion. DX tier engineering, 8 over 10. Excellent build and presentation. Collector and user experience, I give it 8 over 10. It's beginner friendly and collector approved. Upgrade path, 6 over 10. It's more on presentation than expansion. I'm not seeing possible slots for upgrade to the next level. But who knows, the upgrades might be in the new cards. And for me, for the overall grade, this driver got a 7.14 score. This isn't a belt you spam. It's about sequence. Insert, confirm, judge, execute. It feels like running a dystopian justice system from your desk. Less chaos, more control. It's still a DX belt and premium. The shredding is simulated. Sound overlap happens if you rush. But this belt was built for presentation, not gimmick overload, and that's fine. Surely, collectors will love this. It looks premium and commands attention on a shelf. Casual users won't be overwhelmed. But if you want endless forms and constant upgrades, this belt might feel a little too judgmental. The DX Zane driver isn't about fun chaos. It's about control. It feels smarter, colder, and more intimidating than most DX belts. And that's exactly why it works. Sometimes, the scariest villain is the system itself. If you want to feel this judgment power, you can check it only in Hobby Alley page, available in their website or Facebook. Wait, what is the secret behind the magic? Very simple. Like other card tricks, the driver prepared a dummy card, which is the shredded card. And as for the card, it was placed behind this belt and alakazam, card you go. Wow, magic. Now, would you trust this belt to judge the world? Hope you enjoyed this breakdown, and please do burst like, share, subscribe to my channel, and blast that notification bell for more videos. Until next time here in Tune R, see you in the next Henshin.
Henshin!
Salvation of humankind!